revolution. I'm not a robot man. Not a machine to follow the masses under the foot of the socialist fascist. Not a universal people. Not a sheeple. Not a automaton. Destroy, destroy, never repent. The way of the government, leading the blind.